Hey there, this is lesson number 2 for the week of May 11th. I wanted to, this is a lot of reactions, identifying reactions, and I wanted to write off to the side what they look like, just in case you forgot. If you have something that goes, I don't know, like A plus B yields AB, that's a synthesis reaction. And then we also have the opposite. AB yields A plus B. Okay, in this case, instead of these two coming together to make one product, you have one reactant breaking apart to become two different products. This is a decomposition reaction. Okay, you also have A plus, we're going to go XY this time. A plus XY yields AY plus X. Okay, so in this case, the single element is combined with a compound. That single element is going to take the place of one of these elements in the compound. And when it does, it will combine, it will make the new compound, and the element that it replaced will be off by itself. This is a single replacement. I'll give you a little bit more room. There we go. Okay, we also have AB plus XY yields AY plus XB. Okay, what happens here? Well, you have two compounds and they switch partners. When they switch partners, A will bond with Y to make AY. B will bond with X to make XB. This is a double replacement reaction. Okay, remember that there's also the neutralization reaction that's a double replacement reaction, but these two right here would be an acid and a base, and over here you would have a salt and water as the products, but it would look the same. It would still be two compounds switching partners. The last type of reaction is a combustion reaction where you have some sort of hydrocarbon plus oxygen making carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so this is combustion. Okay, so just, there we go, sorry. Quick review of all of these different reaction types in case you needed them. So let's do the odd numbered problems here. All right, number 1, the following reaction is an example of what? So I have a single and a single making one product. It makes one compound. That was an example of synthesis. Number 3, there we go, number 3. The following reactions, an example of, well, let's see, we have a single compound here as the reactant, nothing else, just that compound. And look, it breaks down into its pieces. This is an example of decomposition. Number 5, let's see, what kind of reaction is that? Well, it looks like I have a hydrocarbon plus oxygen making carbon dioxide and water. Don't panic that there's an oxygen on that, okay? It still has the same basic players in it. It has some sort of CH compound. It has oxygen to get that combustion reaction started. And it makes carbon dioxide and water. So this is a combustion reaction. So don't get tricked. Sometimes they look a little strange, but they'll always make the same thing. Okay, number 7. The following reaction is an example of, well, I have a compound. Looks like it breaks down into its pieces. One more example of a decomposition reaction. Okay, well, good luck. And remember, if you need these over here on the side, copy them down. It's not going to kill you to do that. It'll be okay. So have a good afternoon and make sure you finish all these problems and do good on your quiz.